Hello everyone, this is Tech Rehab and today we have a new piece of technology. We have the Meta Glasses Gen 2. So I bought the Meta Glasses Gen 2. I bought the Meta Glasses Gen 2 as a new camera for my shorts and my other accounts, and I am also going to be filming with these here on YouTube. So that's the box. Pretty simple box for an expensive piece, but it's quite nice, I can't lie. I bought this for 419 euros. These are the Gen 2. That was it. Alright. Okay, so that's the case, charging case they come with. It's leather and it's pretty hard. It has some manual. You can buy more lenses and a warranty. Okay, so it lights up. My first Meta glasses ever. I'm afraid I will break them. I'm afraid. Okay, so it has this inside, these pins that connect here so they can charge. These are the shades right here. They look pretty nice. They are making a sound right now. Okay, this is pretty premium, bro. They don't even have much weight. They're like regular glasses. Okay, so I got the transparent lens. I think it looks pretty good. It will flash if I start recording, and the 12 megapixel camera. And I don't even wear glasses, so I think I'm gonna wear this pretty often. Also gonna check the speakers because I will be listening to music with them all the time probably. Okay, so I'm gonna wear them. Okay, so they did the sound. I guess I have to connect them to the phone. Right here, this is the app. And let's set up the glasses. Okay, so I just set my account up on the Meta AI app. We're gonna select the Meta glasses, open Bluetooth, and okay, now it says I have to keep the glasses inside the case, so I'm so dumb. Okay, so now they're actually pairing. I can see them right here. Connect. It has to turn on that blue light right here. Okay, so they're connected to the where I'm supposed to pull the glasses up. Okay, so they just made a sound. Press the capture button once. Okay, so I just took a photo on the Meta glasses, damn. Press and hold the capture button, start recording. Okay, so now I'm recording on the Meta glasses. Whoa. Okay, so I'm listening to music on the Meta glasses right now. They sound pretty good. And now I'm controlling the volume level and the controls work great. Okay, so we are ready, they are connected. The quality is pretty good, I didn't expect that. Okay, so I was actually expecting that because they're expensive as shit, but I'm happy they actually work. Okay, so I just listened to some music on the Ray-Bans and I have to say the sound is actually great. If you have somebody next to you, the volume has to be at around 10 to 20%. If you're on a noisy environment like outside and you're listening to music, you can probably turn the volume up even more, but still maybe people can hear what you're listening to if it's on the max volume or around there, but the sound quality is actually really good. It actually feels like the sound from back here is going straight to your ear. They're actually designed really well and they work as well too. Okay, so now I'm gonna take some photos and some videos and I'm going to pull them up on the screen. Okay, so now I'm recording on the Meta Glasses Gen 2. I'm pretty close to the camera. I wanna see how they focus, how it looks, how the microphone sounds. Okay, that's how they work. They also have a cleaning cloth. I didn't see that. Okay, and yeah, tell me how they look. Tell me if you think they are worth it, if the sound and the video is good. And don't forget, you can only record for 3 continuous minutes on the Meta Glasses Gen 2. Okay, that's the footage. Thank you for watching. I'm happy with these glasses and make sure to subscribe. I will continue to make some interesting videos and thank you all for watching. This was Tech Rehab and I will see you on the next one.